Okay, here we are in video 3, and we're still talking about adding and subtracting fractions, right? And here you can see 3/4 plus 5/8. All right, so 3/4 plus 5/8. Is that sum going to be less than or less than 1? Between 1 and 2? Or more than 2? Just seeing if I can make it bigger for you. Not really. Oh, there we go. Okay, what do you think? Less than 1, between 1 and 2, or more than 2, 3/4 and 5/8? What do you notice about the fractional units? We have fourths and we have eighths, right? Are the units related, and how do you know? Yes, you can decompose fourths to make eighths, break it into more pieces, decompose it. You can compose eighths to make fourths. 4 is a factor of 8, and 8 is a multiple of 4, so they're in a fact family together, right? That's how we usually say it in class. Are we ready to add? No. We cannot add because our units or our denominators are not the same, right? We need to rename at least one of the fractions as an equivalent fraction, so both fractions will have the same denominator. Yeah? This time, let's represent the sum on a number line. Okay? So let's draw ourselves a number line here. Sorry, it's a little crooked. Yeah, let's try and redo that. Try making our number line a little bit straighter. Okay, make sure you're making a number line in your notes as well. And what interval should we show on that number line? Number lines have arrows on each side. Interval. So like what would be the lowest number and what would be the highest number? Like we don't need to go to 10 because we said maybe it's going to be between 0 and 1 or 1 and 2. What do you think? 3/4 is less than 1. 5 out of 8 is also less than 1. So the highest it's going to go is 2. So let's make our number line between 0 and 2. Okay, so we'll put a 0 here and a 1 and a 2. All right. What fractional unit should we partition the whole number intervals on the number line? So how should we break it up? Eighths, because we can't rename 5/8 as fourths. Why not? Why can we not rename 5/8 as fourths? Think about 5/8 for a minute. Okay, we said that 8 and 4 are in a number line together. In a fact family together. So we can divide 8 by 2 and get 4. That is true. Okay. Can we divide 5 by 2? Think about that for a minute. Will it come out even? No, it won't come out even if we divide it by 2. So we're going to have to change this one to eighths. So let's break our number line into eighths. Okay, and if we need 8 parts, we need 7 lines, right? I put a line in the middle so that will kind of show us where the middle is. So that would be 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I did put an extra one. Yeah, I said 7 lines, didn't I? Let me see if I can erase that. Oh, I see. Maybe. Okay, I'm just going to scribble it out. That's what we sometimes have to do, right? There we go. Now we have 8 because 8/8 is the same as 1, right? Okay, very good. So now that we have that, where would 3/4 be? Well, I guess I should do it over here too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so 1 is the same as 8/8, right? Okay, and 5/8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5/8. Okay. 3/4. Now, where would 3/4 be? Think about 3/4. 4 times what equals 8? 4 times 2. Do the same thing to the top. Can we multiply 3 times 2? Yes, we can. So 3/4 is the same as 6/8. Okay, so 6/8 is right here, right next to 5/8. 6/8. Now, how can we use this number line to add 6/8 and 5/8? Can we jump 5 times? 1, 2. Sorry, that one's not there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So let's see where we land. 8, 9, 10, 11. 11/8. And you might be thinking to yourself, well, yes, 6 plus 5 is 11. So 11/8. 6/8 plus 5/8. Is it reasonable? It's between 0 and 2. It makes sense. Yes. All right. Very good. 11/8. Now we have one more to do. Make sure you have that in your notes. If you don't, please pause me and get it down. All right. Trying to clear that off. Let's go to the next one. It really doesn't want to clear the screen for us. Try one more time. Clear screen. Okay. 7/12 minus 1/3. 7/12 minus 1/3. You know what? Let's look at there's a nice number line from the last one. Yeah, sometimes they make nice number lines in the teacher's guide. 7/12 minus 1/3. Okay. So grab a pen here. 7/12 minus 1/3. That's our problem. We make a number line and we're subtracting, right? So we only have to make our number line between 0 and 1. And we're going to change both of them to 12ths, right? We couldn't change 7/12 to thirds because if we divide by 4, can't divide 7 by 4. You find that it's usually easier just to multiply, right? 1/3 can change to 12ths. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 1 is 12. 4. So, sorry, let me just write that down for you. 1/3 times 4 over 4, right? Breaking it into 4 parts. And that would be 4/12. Okay? And we have 7/12. We're going to subtract 4/12. 1, 2, 3, 4. And where do we land? We land on 3/12. And that is our answer. Okay? Thanks for watching. And I'll see you next time. Low.